Are you looking for a path that makes a difference? Bethany Land Institute, a Laudato Si center in Kasana-Luelo Diocese with a mission forming leaders in integral ecology for rural transformation, offers a certificate in integral ecology, a unique blend of integrated farming, environmental conservation, and economic empowerment rooted in spirituality. Be part of a mindset change program that exposes you to sustainable practical skills in production of all types of crops and animals using regenerative farming principles and practices that protect our environment. Bethany Land Institute invites applicants of all levels from P7, Senior 4, Senior 6, and anyone who did not attain any academic level but passionate about farming. We also offer short course programs ranging from 1 month to 1 year for those looking for skills in any specific agribusiness enterprise like coffee, bananas, vegetables, mushrooms, dairy, pigs, poultry, black soldier flies, among others. Graduates can create their own integrated agro-enterprises, employed as agro-enterprise managers for individual farms, NGOs, and may opt to upgrade their studies to other levels. Bethany Land Institute is located at Nandere Village, 3.5 miles from Kalule off Kampala-Gulu Highway. Apply now for our 6th cohort. Admissions will close on 28th February 2026. For more information, contact the principal on 0777 98 632 01 or visit us at our website www.bethanylandinstitute.org. Love Mother Earth, make everyone happy.